Hi guys, I'm here with Afsisterwig. You know I love me some Afsisterwig. You know, open the box and I'm seeing my beautiful wig on the inside, which we're gonna get into. In today's package, I got this little section clip. I got a edge brush and comb. I also got 2 regular wig caps and I got some hairpins. Love getting these. I can never keep these to save my life. They always get lost. So I love getting them. They're so handy. For today's wig, guys, we got this gorgeous full-on 13x6 3D full lace frontal skin melt pre-plucked wig. And this is a curly bob that we're working with now. As I said, yes, it is a 3D full lace frontal wig, and it is also a really nice skin melt lace that we're working with, so you know it's gorgeous HD lace quality. I love that it's already like customized and stuff, so I do love the look of that. It does have a pre-plucked hairline, which is super realistic, guys, right off the bat. I feel like, you know, it's been a minute I've done this with a bob. I feel like I want to do a half up, half down with this curly bob. Look at that perfection with the lace. Like, it's so pretty. Love it. I really feel like I want to do that with today's styling. The hair itself is really soft, right? Really, really soft. This is also 12 inches long. And it's of a 1B color. Very natural color. And it's 130% in density, they say. But this feels like it's like 150, 180. Very full and nice. So I love that. It feels really good. Really, really good. And you could pretty much part this any way you want, on the sides, in the middle. Like, you literally could part this anywhere. You could do like some nice braids on the front. It will look super, super good and realistic. So I am happy with those features. And just adjusting the elastic band in the back here, the straps in the back of the cap. You know, and it also came with extra elastic bands on the inside too, so you could just kind of make the security a little bit more. There's a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap as well, and the cap is a medium size, so that's generally what I wear. That's the size I wear generally for my wigs. So yeah, that's how we're looking. Now that I show you guys what we're working with, let's go ahead and jump into installing this. Alright, so I'm doing the ball cap method. I am super excited for today's wig. I'm gonna definitely go ahead. I want to do a half up, half down vibe. Really excited for this. So I definitely need to cut off some from the side because it's a little bit too long. So I'm just gonna go in and do that. I just want to measure it up, ensure that it's how you need it to be fitting, and I'm going to go ahead and get my glue and apply it. So I'm gonna do like 2 layers of my lace vegan glue, and when I use that glue, I go to the gym workout with the same level of intensity. If the area gets wet, it dries back down. It is stronger than ever. Like, it holds the wig perfect. So yeah, the curl so far feels so good. It's really soft. I love the entire look. It's just that I want to just like really and truly do something different with today's look, so I'm doing a half up, half down. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into applying my glue, and I'm gonna just fast forward this portion. Let's go.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heart be needed, skipping out, no I can't
Okay guys, so we're looking good. I really love how the it melted down so fast, like, to be very honest. So I know there's still some areas that are a little casty, but we're gonna fix that. So I'm gonna get my powder. I'm gonna do like just some light soups today and stuff. But before I jump into any of that, I'm just kind of, you know, taking out any hair that's shedding from me, cutting from the sides. But before I jump into any of that, I'm just going to get some of my powder, right, for the casty portions in the front here of the lace. Just going to tap a little of my face powder on all the areas that look a little casty. So you really don't need any baby hairs, guys. You really don't. This lace is, the lace front is actually perfection, okay? So you really don't have to worry about doing any baby hairs or anything. This is totally optional. And you see these little parts here, that sometimes happen because I went ahead and stretched a little bit too much, but I'm gonna fix that because the hairstyle that I'm doing is gonna pull everything together. So that's one thing to note when you're working with these laces, because they're a little bit more delicate.
When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
Trouble here. I'm gonna get my hot comb with my wax stick.
You kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher.
This is the hairstyle. I really styled this up. This is so cute. I really love it. You could go ahead and wear it, you know, just as it is if you wish. But I'm gonna get it wet, you know, just so it can be more tamed looking. And I'm gonna make the parts in here more precise. I'm happy I could still do a half up, half down that could still show off the lace in some way. And you see what I was saying, once I, you know, kind of everything to the back there, it really pulled it together. And the lace, everything looks super good. It looks so good, so cute. I just did this little bun just to demonstrate if you wish to keep it like with the bun or whatever. So this is just like a style. This is just like style number one. You know, I'm gonna actually unravel the bun. And once I get this wet, it will be more tamed and just blend in with the rest of the hair.
You take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
Oh my god, yes! Guys, oh, this is a vibe. This is a vibe, guys. This is a vibe. Let me know what you guys think. This turned out too cute. It's so cute. Let me know what you guys think, because this is a vibe. I love it. Everything turned out like on point. Love it. So you guys, I gave you options with the styling. You could leave this dry or you could get it wet. I really love it in its wet state. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to Afsisterwigs because this wig is a 10. It is a 10. I love it. And I just really wanted to explore this time. That's the reason why I didn't just leave it in a regular center part or a side part. I wanted to explore a little bit more. And I love it, honey. I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box. So if you're interested in getting it for yourself for this summer, because we are about to be outside. This summer is definitely outside. That's the kind of vibes. Okay. So this wig is perfect for that because the heat, I'm not even ready for it. So yeah, this is gonna be very convenient, very cute look. Quality of the wig is on 10. Minimal shedding. You know, the texture of the hair, it's soft, but it's not like extremely soft. It's like on the coarser side, but everything feels super good and I'm super happy with that. But yeah, so check out my description box for all the information. Guys, if you found this video informative, if you like the wig look, go ahead and give me a thumb up. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.